guys like hamburgers?
Favorite food.
Make a loose little ball like that, and you push this down like that. Here you go.
Push it down.
Yeah.
It feels slimy.
It does feel a little bit slimy. It's meat. Soap and water. Just do a light little olive oil. Go for it.
Do drizzle.
Do the drizzle dance. Pepper's a really great spice. It really seasons it deep.
So we need a sword of Voss.
Okay, you do it.
Sword. Sword of Voss is here to make pepper. Here, I'll spin the top and you hold the bottom. For our burgers. Oh, sea salt. Sprinkle. Garlic powder. Sprinkle. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. They look good, but not good yet.
Okay, so we seasoned the burgers on both sides, and now we're going to work on what's really important with burgers, which is what?
Buns?
You love grilled onions, right?
No, I don't like them.
You don't?
No, but he does. Yeah, he gives me his onions. Onions are good. Okay, so my dad is putting them all up there, and we got the burgers, and we're gonna put them on the
We're gonna let
stove.
them keep cooking.
So he's putting all of those up there. Wow, there's a lot.
There's a lot of vegetables, but we can use these all week. Right? We're gonna just let the heat do its magic. So 4 minutes, right? What time is it now, Honey Pea? Time it.
It's 7:05.
All right.
Put them on. And one. Put on the cheese. Adios, amigos. They're looking good. They're
They
good.
look good?
Yes.
How'd they
Very
smell?
good. I just want to eat better than they did before. It's wee brioche.
Don't you try it, Patsy.
Okay. Yes, sorry, mister. Eat it. It's crispy.
Yeah, crispy on the outside.
It's good.
What do you think, Honey Pea?
It's good.
Let the feast begin. And by the way, Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah! Bye, guys.
Of course, guys, you know goes better. Nothing goes better burgers than s'mores, right?
This is like such a bad production value.
No, it's terrible.